From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackColorado.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackColorado.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now, the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Welcome to this Haystack TV Spotlight. For nearly 50 million people in the United States, they suffer from a condition known as tinnitus or tinnitus. Some of you may also know this as ringing in the ears. For about 1 to 2 million people, this condition can actually become debilitating. The Colorado Tinnitus and Hearing Center can help you understand the cause of that ringing and offer you a treatment. The center was the first clinic in Colorado to begin using a new method of treatment called the Neuromonics tinnitus treatment. The clinic's doctors of audiology specialize in the treatment of tinnitus, and they are both members of the American Academy of Audiology. Dr. Patty Klombach and Dr. Lisa Evans-Smith join us today. Thank you for being here. Now, what exactly is tinnitus? Now, we said it's ringing of the ears, but what other effects does it cause with people?
You know, a lot of the patients that we see come in and, you know, they can't sleep, they're depressed, they're anxious, they're frustrated. So the effects of tinnitus are different on every single person. Sometimes a patient can come in and say, I'm aware of the tinnitus, but it doesn't bug me. Other patients come in, it's a very, as you said, a very debilitating condition where, you know, they can't sleep and they're depressed and even have suicidal thoughts. Yeah,
it's hard to live with that kind of you know, irritation, I guess is what it really is. Now, there's a lot of bad information out there that people think there is no treatment, but there really is. You can actually treat people with this.
Yes, we can actually treat people. We can't cure a tinnitus, but we can treat them. We can get a patient to a place where they're not really aware that they have the tinnitus, so therefore it's not disturbing to them. We do that using the Neuromonics tinnitus treatment, which we talked about a minute ago. It's a sound therapy. It is designed to promote relaxation, help people sleep, essentially helps them get their lives back over time and listening.
And it retrains the brain to not notice the ringing.
That is correct.
Okay.
It sure does.
Well, we have a testimonial from one of your patients. Let's listen to what Ken has to say.
Okay.
My tinnitus was brought on from a concussion from a traffic accident in which I was rear-ended. Just this constant screaming, and it wouldn't go away. There was just no stopping it. Through the medical process, it was determined that it was a permanent condition, and there was really nothing that they could do about it. I reached a point I thought I was going to go insane from it. The Neuromonics worked on that hearing center in the brain, and it just doesn't bother me anymore. It's a therapy tool, and you have to work with it. You know, the patient has to put in their time with it. I have regained my life, and that is the biggest plus.
What was Ken's situation?
You know, as he said, he was in a car accident, and the big thing is when Ken started treatment, he was 80% aware of his tinnitus, 75% disturbed. When he finished treatment, he was 5% aware, 0% disturbed. So huge difference from where he began. So it was very successful. And
he used this treatment and this device. Does he have to use it anymore?
Basically, he does not have to use it anymore. Ken's got his life back. He's going to baseball games. He's back to work. He's doing all the things that he enjoys. The tinnitus just essentially isn't an issue for him anymore.
How long did he have to wear the device before he no longer had to wear it any longer?
It was roughly 9 months.
9 months. And is that pretty standard?
That is standard.
Okay. Yeah. And what is the one thing that you would want someone that's listening right now with tinnitus to understand?
I think for most patients is to understand that there is hope and that there are treatments available and that you do not have to just learn to live with it.
Yeah, I mean, all great information, and it's good to know that there is not a cure, but a way to treat this to make this ringing go away, because that would just drive people crazy. So exactly. I'm going to tell people how to get a hold of you, because I'm sure they're going to want to reach you right away.
Great.
If you are suffering from a ringing in the ears, call Colorado Tinnitus and Hearing. Call 303-534-0163 or visit the website helpforringing.com. The first 10 people who call and mention Haystack get $25 off the cost of a consultation and $200 towards the cost of treatment. The number again is 303-534-0163. Colorado Tinnitus and Hearing Center paid for this segment. Thanks for watching Haystack TV, the only TV program that features services you can trust because we've checked them out. Visit our website, HaystackColorado.com, where finding the needle just got a lot easier.